Hello, class. I want to walk you through the code fixing exercise I posted on Schoology in case you missed it, or you need a review of what's happening. So I've highlighted all the lines that have errors in them, and I'm going to point them out right now. So line 2, it's attempted at a single line comment, as I wrote right there, but you need 2 slashes. So there's the error. Line 8, there's a problem because that's a block comment, a multi-line comment, and it starts with a star or slash star, ends with a star slash, so you need the star character there. What's missing on 10 or 11 is the curly bracket or brace that begins the class. Curly bracket on line 10. Right here, missing the word args, which is usually used in that main method name. Right here, several problems on line 15. We've got this character is not allowed, so let's assume that was meant to be an S. That's the first problem. The next, you can't put decimals into integers as it's happening here. It doesn't make any sense to have it be a decimal because number of dogs can't be a decimal, so I'm going to get rid of that. It should just be a 2. And then the last thing's not an error, but a suggestion. Start your variables with lowercase letters. All right, 17, some problems. Printer is not a thing. It's either print or println. The average weight of my dogs is, and then if you want to combine some text with a variable, that would go there. Now, you can see that weight going into, or 40 going into weight, that's actually okay, but would actually print, as I had written here, as 40.0. However, the error on 19 is not the 40. The error is the fact that you're using weight before you've declared it. So it's not defined at line 17, so this would have to go above there. Okay, any line before you use it. Line 21, it's a Boolean variable. Suggest that you make this capital G, not an error, but a good idea. And then it is not, oh yeah, it is true or false. Line 23, missing system dot out here. Missing the quotes to start the text. There's the reference to number dogs right there. The other thing that's not an error but a bug is you should have a space here because you want the number to be next to the text but not touching it, and it would be touching it. You want a space in between, like the space is here. Print, are they good? Like, are the dogs good? Missing a semicolon, so there's the error in 25. 27 is attempted to print out the variable is good, so I'd have to change it to capital, but when you, because I changed capital up here, when you print out the value of a variable, you do not use quotes. Almost there. Num prims is a new variable. In order to make a new variable, you need to declare it with the data type, in this case int. Here I'm missing some quotes on line 31. The space num prims space kinds of primitive variable types are. Now I wouldn't need a space there because this is a println, so the stuff coming after it is going to be on the next line. I introduced a new character. It's called an escape character here that adds a tab, so that's okay. And actually everything is okay except for the fact that the definitions are wrong. Int does not hold double or decimals, doubles do, so this is an error in content. So you switch those and you are good to go. So hopefully you learned a few things here. Hopefully you tried this out first. Happy coding.